and future dancers. Today we are going to build on our previous 6 steps, which you can find here. So to get started, we're starting with a foxtrot, leading basic, slow, slow, quick, quick, into our box step. Left foot forward, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Again, box step, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Then we can rotate our box step. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Again, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So 6 count underarm turn. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Keep doing the box. Step forward, face me, and finish right foot backwards. Slow, quick, quick. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So that's for the recording. One more time. Slow,
sure?
Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick. One more time. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow, quick, quick.